Here's our 1989 Toyota pickup going on a 7-day no reserve sale on eBay with 133,000 actual miles, completely rust free, all original, factory black, original paint. There are 2 dings in the truck, one right there, a scratch right here, and a ding right there. Rockers and door jambs are in perfect condition. Doors shut excellent. Tailgate opens good. Have all the original documents since the truck was new. It is a 2-owner. It was bought in 1994 with 23,000 miles and has been garage kept and well taken care of ever since. I have over 200 pictures on my eBay listing of all the documents. We have 3 sets of keys, 2 aftermarket. This is the original key. The original seat is in beautiful shape underneath this factory Toyota cover. This cover has been on since 1994, and the seat is in excellent shape underneath. Carpets are good. Headliner's nice. The only thing aftermarket about this truck is the radio and the wheels. Brand new tires. This is the 4-cylinder 5-speed model. Absolutely no paint peel, no rust, 100% original. Bed liner. And again, this is a factory Toyota seat cover. There's 1 crack in the dash. Only 133,000 miles. Absolutely no engine lights. Heater blows hot. radio works. This truck drives amazing. Again, it's going on a 7-day no reserve sale. Last bid gets it. Thank you for watching and looking at this truck, and happy bidding. Have a great day.